Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ultimate Cooking Gallery. Today I am going to share a famous South Indian rice recipe, puliogare or tamarind rice. Please note down the ingredients and let's start our cooking. To prepare puliogare, soak a lemon-sized tamarind in a bowl for 5 to 10 minutes and add the tamarind extract to a pan or a kadai. Add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 small lemon-sized jaggery, and add 50 grams of puliogare powder. Mix it well and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time for tempering. Heat some oil in a tadka pan. Add half a cup of peanuts. When the peanuts are cooked well, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, 5 to 6 dried red chilies. When the tempering is done, add the tempering to the puliogare paste. Mix it well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Now your puliogare paste is ready. Add the required quantity of puliogare paste to the cooked rice. Mix it well and your tasty puliogare is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy the taste. Thanks for watching Ultimate Cooking Gallery. My videos are available on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please like, share, subscribe, follow and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.